working hard.
Alright, we're here once again seeing our boat to show the item. A little close up some of the work that we do and some of the things that we put in today. Alright, so now today we're going to start out by selecting the tools that's required for this job. I mean, you can determine that by once you know the scope of the job. Okay? That can easily be identified by going through your prints, your details, etc. Alright? Now look at this. This is the kind of clothes I get to play with. Beautiful. Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to head down to the job site to meet with all the rest of the crew, alright? Here comes the other half of the crew. Zach and Jim, see? On the first time I work with them, so. Yo, Jim, say hello, world.
Hello, world.
Yeah, this is Zach, yo. Say hello, world, Zach.
Hello, world.
Right now we're getting set up to go finish up this job, see? Guys, going up on the man lift, go take care of a crane problem. How many of you have ever seen this kind of setup before? What we're doing here today, we're gonna weld this here. It's very tough steel, so we're gonna have to preheat and then weld. I can explain everything in 15 seconds, but I'll show you some process, okay? Alright, this is the unit where we are used to weld up all of them things, the machine. Yeah.
Big up the bus driver, taxi cab, working hard.